Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first open the hood, then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here with your positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. Next I would check around for any corrosion like that built up on the terminals, and if there are, you could clean them off with a good brush or rag. After that, make sure all these connections are nice and tight, and if they're loose you can just tighten them up with these bolts. That way you've got good metal on metal connection. And then from there, with your jump box or jumper cables, you take your metal clamps and have the metal on metal here for your positive clamp and the negative clamp for this metal. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle's turned on with the motor running, and you've got your positive leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle and the negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. That said, once you've had these connected for at least a few minutes with a good connection, you should get enough juice to start this, and something to make sure you never cross them by mistake where you have a positive leading to a negative, because that could cause a lot of damage to your computer systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. But if you've been trying all this for quite a while and still not having success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening these terminals, removing this little support brace, lifting the old battery out, setting your new battery in, retightening everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.